So I had a mental breakdown and destroyed my room, which actually helped. But I decided I need to clean this room because it's gross. But I need to clean up myself first because I'm also very gross. So with the magic of YouTube, I'm going to do that in 2 seconds. Wow, wasn't that impressive? Okay. Hi, I have like 2 seconds before my sister comes back into the room. My room is gross. I know it doesn't look like that. I know you're probably like, my room is filled with albino rats or whatever. But it's gross. So I had a mental breakdown and I decided ruining my room would help it, and it did. I ripped a tissue box into 275 pieces. I counted. That really helped. So that's my therapy now. And at 12:30 a.m., I lost my tooth. Like, I just ripped it out. I woke up and I ripped it out. So that really hurts now, and that was gross. I know I look like a hillbilly. But I just have a tooth laying around covered in blood. And then I have dog treats. My money is spread out. It's just chaotic. But my shirt's from Brandy Melville. My leggings are from Pop Fit. I've been debating not getting them, but I'm just like, if I rip off the tag, then I have no choice but to not return them, and I'm just too lazy to return them, so. Okay, and now for the part of the video that you probably didn't but were supposed to come for. So I was going through the pile first, because tackling the demon first is the best strategy. I found PE clothes and I threw my stickers everywhere. It was a whole thing. I ended up just kind of like screwing around for a while. Here's evidence of that. I don't know what I was doing here. I was trying to be fun. It didn't work. So yeah, I looked like JoJo Siwa because I'm a comeback like a boomerang. I need to shower. So I zoned off, I think, a total of 64 times, and I just decided, you know, let's tackle this boy now, because I don't know what I'm saying. There was a lot of clothes. 90% of them were dirty clothes, because when I can't decide what to wear, I throw it all in a pile, because I'm 13, that's what we do, but... She's gone.
So I tried on this dress.
Yes.
At first, I liked it.
Yes. I've made pile into pile. Pediatrician. This is a Barbie horse blanket. I'm not joking. Considering making it into a mask. Not gonna lie. I'd have to yeah, no, that wouldn't work. But I'm gonna order a $17 hand sewing machine off Amazon soon. So don't judge me for what I do with my Barbie horse blanket. Okay. Calculator? Never heard of her. How about broken calculator?
Bad joke.
We'll do something. How about that? Me and Pilar aren't going to do the dares for very long because she's not in school till May 4th and I'm not in school till May 5th.
Update. They canceled school forever for me. My 7th grade year is over.
So go subscribe to her anyway. Go subscribe to her anyway. Oh my god, I have arthritis. These are my favorite snack. They're at this place called Petco. So I would say go grab them because they're very delicious. Oh, okay, so these are safe. Buddy, do you want a treat? Come here. Come here. Okay, now. No, I need you to face the camera. Okay, good boy. Sit. Stay sitting. Oh my god. Buddy, come here. Okay, come here. Good boy. Sit. Good boy. Paw. Good boy. Up. Ow! I just realized I ate that. Did you see how chaotic my energy got as soon as my sister left? That's a human representation of why I hate my sister. Aha! I see what's happening here. You're face to face with greatness. And it's strange. Did I lose again? I dropped it again. You don't even know how you feel.
It's enjoyable.
Well, it's nice to see that humans never change. I want to discuss that one line. Is he not human? Like, I know he's a god, but aren't they still humans? Like, they're not lizards. Oh my god, he's a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. I know, it's a lot. The hair, the bod. We'll just have this in the background for the entire video. My sister's gonna come and be like, oh my god, you're not funny. I hate you. That's the price you get for being famous. Applesauce, oh my. Oh, it's my favorite applesauce from school. I'm going to slurp this. Why don't we have a lighter? The average teenage girl's room should always have a lighter in it. Wait, I didn't mean. Look at Ben's. She bendy.
Are you aroused yet?
They've been charging me $14 like a week for a Prime membership that I don't have. Like, I don't even, and they literally mailed me a letter yesterday going, you're not using all your Prime benefits. With what Prime membership? So Amazon, if you're watching this, which I know you're not, whoever the owner, who's the owner? I accidentally typed in on all caps, but I guess that makes it more funny. Jeff Bezos, please refund me my $14.22. He told me to put it under my pillow. I went up to him and I go, can I have money for this? And he goes, put it under your pillow. Teeth are gross. The wrappers from the vitamin C drop in my ASMR video. This is cute. It's my favorite art. I'm gonna put it in a frame. And I'm gonna put it here. Because it's cute. It reminds me that I need a job so I can pay to live in a place like that. On to your favorite part, the bed. Farts. Do anything wrong. Yes, you did yesterday. Hi, it's several hours later because we took a drive up to Malibu, which felt more like a drive up to Neptune. But my room is a little less clean than how I left it, but because I have my school stuff out. Yeah, but here's the finished product. The pile, she's gone. Bye. Shrek is gone too, I'm sorry. This is all crowded though. This, everything's in my backpack. This is away, that's away, all my laundry's away. So yeah. This clip is definitely gonna need some explaining, so here I am. The night I was filming this, it was March 31st, aka the night before April Fool's. And I thought, I need revenge on no one, because no one's ever pulled a prank on me, but might as well victimize my sister's mascara, because you know she's pretty annoying. The subject? Okay, well. This is the patient. It's April Fool's Day tomorrow, and I took my sister's mascara. Mascara and I'm gonna put it in an ice cube. We need to be sneaky about this. I'm on my kitchen. I forgot the things in plastic bags are out. But I can't punch a hole in it because then that would make fun of the plastic bag. Okay, that'll be good enough. Oh my god, Did you see that tree bubble? I forgot that things with the slightest amount of air in them float, so I used rubber bands, and then I forgot that my whole entire freezer was filled with bagels. I ended up staying up till 1 that night because I felt like such a rebel, and then I realized this is stupid, so I took a Snapchat and then went to bed. This was the morning of April Fool's. Of course, my sister was still asleep because that's what we do during quarantine. So my sneaky mode was back on, and I raced to the kitchen. I threw open the set. No, this is not the night before Christmas. Okay, I opened the freezer, I snatched it, and then I poured it out onto a plate and wrote April Fool's on a sticky note. It was sticking out because the mascara was too big for the container it was in. But the point was there. Okay, I tried. This is my first April Fool's prank. Don't kill me. I just put it right by her bed, and then she woke up and goes, "What is this?" And she didn't kill me, so that's fun.